Hi, I'm Jason from Empire Powder. We come down to Vapor Honing Technologies today to test the machines out and see what they would do for me. Since they started, I actually powder coat some of these machines, the 800 stands and the 450 cabinets. We brought some painted parts, some powdered parts, and some rusty parts. Here's a before and an after, the automotive paint, cleaned up beautifully. All I've got to do is wash this and it's ready for powder. On 4 coats of powder to see if it would actually take it off there, and it worked wonderful. This was about 3 minutes in the machine. As you can see, very rusty, very corroded. There was no problem for this machine. And like I said, clean. Yeah, absolutely. It's a night and day difference between dry blasting, mainly because of the cleanliness of it. In a powder coat shop, you can't have the two things in one place like that. I mean, with something like this, I can absolutely have a cabinet like this in my shop and not have to worry about contaminated paint.